Will you just say where we are, what this project
Are we in
is?
Pilsen?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're in Pilsen and we are going to be doing a front new construction addition to a building that's located in the rear of the lot. So we need to check the existing foundation to our neighboring building so that when we do the construction, we don't affect their foundation, or we can find a way to work around how to fix their foundation while we're underpinning ours. Originally, this was an R district, and we had to convert it to a B district in order to have this many unit count. We also reduced the parking so that we can have this amount of units under TOD, which is transit-oriented development. In order to combine or say that two buildings are one, you have to have a significant amount of connection between those two buildings. So the red porch that you see here will be replaced with an enclosed egress between both buildings that are shared. The process for rezoning usually takes about 4 months to 1 year, depending on how complicated the project is. Also, if you need to do any variations, any administrative adjustments, or other things on the lot, that is usually not within the same timeline. So if you have a complicated lot you need to rezone, you should probably give yourself at least a year of planning so that you can do it correctly and not have to rush for construction.